In the shadows of the 19th century, a legend lingers, a tale of ingenuity, secrecy, and forbidden knowledge. It is said that during this time, mysterious black boxes began to surface in communities across the world. These were no ordinary containers. They held within them devices and inventions far ahead of their time. Technologies so advanced, so transformative, that those who possessed them lived in constant fear of exposure. The black boxes, as they came to be known, were not merely tools of convenience, they were the lifeblood of a silent revolution. These devices could accomplish tasks that seemed impossible to the untrained eye. Farmers whispered of hand-sized devices that could plant seeds with perfect precision, eliminating the need for hours of manual labor. Artisans spoke of tools no larger than a loaf of bread that could etch designs into metal or wood with unparalleled accuracy. Yet, despite their undeniable utility, their very existence posed a threat. Among these small and practical inventions were gadgets tailored to everyday life. A common story describes a pocket-sized food preservation device capable of keeping perishables fresh for weeks without ice. Another tale tells of a perpetual lamp, no larger than a book, that emitted steady light without the need for fuel. In colder climates, families reportedly relied on palm-sized heaters capable of warming an entire room, making harsh winters more bearable. For tradespeople, these compact marvels were indispensable. Seamstresses whispered of a mechanical needle aid, no bigger than a hand, that could stitch fabric flawlessly at remarkable speeds. Carpenters used small box-like tools to carve wood into intricate patterns, revolutionizing their craft. Blacksmiths were rumored to have access to devices that could temper metal with precision, drastically improving the quality of their work. To avoid detection, these black boxes were transported under the cover of darkness, concealed in plain sight. Their owners were cautious, sharing their secrets only with the most trusted members of their inner circles. Why such secrecy? The answer lies in the ever-watchful eyes of the authorities. Governments and powerful entities viewed these inventions not as marvels to be celebrated, but as threats to be controlled. The fear was palpable. Confiscation, prohibition, even imprisonment. To the inventors and their allies, the black boxes symbolized both hope and danger. History tells us that many of these creations never saw the light of day. The authorities, driven by greed and a thirst for control, confiscated countless inventions. These devices were often rebranded, repurposed, and commercialized by the wealthy elite. The original creators were left with nothing, their dreams stolen, their names forgotten, their legacies erased. To this day, the contents of many black boxes remain a mystery. Were they truly technological marvels? Or were they something else entirely, something we cannot begin to comprehend? Historians and researchers have scoured archives and unearthed fragments of stories, but the full truth continues to elude us. What is certain, however, is that the black boxes represent a chapter of history shrouded in secrecy and intrigue. Perhaps the greatest question of all is this: what happened to the black boxes that were never found? Could they still be hidden, waiting to be discovered? And if so, what secrets might they hold for those brave enough to uncover them? The black boxes of the 1800s remain a riddle wrapped in mystery, a testament to the resilience of human creativity and the lengths to which people will go to protect what they hold dear. One can only wonder how many other stories like this have been lost to time, buried in the shadows, waiting to be told.